Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 14, and now I'm gonna show you how to install and how to set up free VPN on this device. Okay, firstly open App Store and find here free VPN. Find here free VPN by freevpn.org and install it. Now open your web browser and check how websites see your location without VPN. So open 2ip.io website, and as you can see I'm in Poland, it's true. But now open FreeVPN by freevpn.org. Wait a while, click basic mode with ads and click on the FreeVPN icon. Click allow, enter your passcode, free server with ad, wait a while, and maybe that's it. Basic mode, free with ad, get more VPN. Wait a while, connect to 30 minutes for 1 minute, connect for 2 hours. Okay, connect. Wait a while. And second, third. Cool. Now open your web browser and reload to ip.io web page. And cool, as you can see, I'm in France now. It's working, but as you can see, we need to watch ads, we need to tap the many times, and I want to use free VPN, I don't want to pay. And of course it's not comfortable to use, but if you want, if you need VPN this time, this is the good result for you. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye!